Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fenya and I'm your personal esthetician. In today's video, I want to do something a little bit different. Not so much skincare, but I want to do hair care. So stick around. Let's talk about this before I show you my routine. All right, so a little bit of a background with my hair. So I had hair extensions about a year ago and it messed up my hair. I know everybody says it, don't do hair extensions because it'll ruin your hair, but we don't listen, so whatever. I did it anyway because I really wanted like this 18-inch, 24-inch, I don't know what it was, but long hair, and I just messed my hair up. So I had to literally chop it to like a bob, or I think it was at a lob bob, I'm not sure, but I cut it pretty short. So ever since that, I've been trying to grow out my hair, and it's been 7 months. So considering it's I think we are 5 inches long now, and this is since January, and we're July now. So I'm doing pretty good. We're doing good. I want to share with you guys what I do. I know it's not a lot. This is not the only thing that I do, but this is the main thing that I do. So in this video, you guys will see this was done 3 weeks prior to this current part of the video. I didn't have time to do the intro, so I had to do the hair care part, and then now I'm doing the intro. So what you see is 3 weeks prior. I don't know. I'm a huge believer in this routine that I've been doing. I try to do it twice a week. I know it's really hard. I have job, I have work, I have life. But I do try to do this, and I swear by it.
As you guys can tell, I have a little garden going on here. My mints, my tomatoes, and of course our aloe plant, which is what I'm going to use to do my little hair mask at home. I'm not sure if I'm cutting this right, but this is just how I do it. Oh, and I forgot one more ingredient. Of course, we need rosemary. So we're going to cut some rosemary and we're going to boil this. We're going to need a few things. Grab a spoon, a nice big one. We're also going to need a cutting board and of course a knife. The end of this aloe was kind of dry, so I just kind of cut the end. And we're going to cut the skin as close to it as possible. Get it nice and thin. As you can see with the knife, I'm cutting it very close to the skin. We're going to get rid of the skin, that part at least. And this little part, of course. And this is the satisfying part. Just scrape the aloe. I don't know what it is about scooping the aloe, but it's so satisfying. You're just like getting a big roll, big chunk of aloe, and you know this bad boy is going to go in your hair and treat it right. So let's get our blender. I'm going to use my Ninja. It's just my favorite. It blends really well, chops it, dice it really well. So we want to make sure it's nice and thin. Add as much as water as you like to boil. We're going to take the rosemary and put it in this water and get all the nutrients out of the rosemary. I'm going to go back and check the rosemary to see if it's boiling. It's starting to, but not quite there. There it is. That's when you know it's ready. We're going to leave the lid open and of course turn it off. Let it cool off as much as possible. I have a sample. This is how it should look like. It needs to be nice and super cool. If you pour it on as it's really hot, the aloe will melt. And what I mean by melt, it will really dissolve the aloe and it won't be as gooey and sticky. It's just going to become really runny and watery. So I'm adding a little bit more of that rosemary water just so I can get it a little bit more runny, just to get the consistency right. And this is how it should look like. So we're going to divide our hair into small sections. That way we have better control as to how to apply it, because this process gets really messy and you want to make sure you have as much control as possible. So I'm going to show you guys how messy and runny it can get. Take your time with this process, massage it into your hair. Even like I run my fingers through it just to make sure I get all the product in there. Look how sticky and gooey this is. After drenching my hair, it feels so amazing. It just feels rich and just dewy and hydrated, which I love. So I massage a little bit more just to stimulate more blood flow. And I make sure I have the product all over my hair. Whatever remaining I have, I just apply it to my roots, go back and retouch up everything just in case if I've missed anywhere. And then we're going to put the clip back on and put a cap over it and let it just simmer for a few hours. So it's been 2.5 hours and now I'm just going to rinse this product off. I'm not going to shampoo it, just rinse it. I must warn you guys, once you're done washing your hair, you'll see these tiny little white residue. That's the aloe. It's nothing else. It's just aloe. You just comb through it and it comes right out. If you don't get everything out, it's fine. Once you blow dry your hair or comb it again, it'll go away. Oh, I did want to show you guys. Look at this. This is all new hair growth. Look at my face here. I look so happy. I love the fact that I'm getting new hair growth and my hair is healthy.
Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was educational, informative, and you guys enjoyed it. And please, please, please let me know if you guys try this routine and comment in the comment section. I would love to see what your thoughts are, if you guys see any results, any difference in your hair growth. I do want to say I feel like I have thicker hair now. Like I usually have really thin hair, but I've just been having, I don't know. I just love my hair now. I feel like it's really thick. It's not manageable right now just because it's at a really weird length, but I am really happy where it's at now. So I will catch you guys on my next video and talk to you guys soon. Bye.